In this Snapchat tutorial, you will learn how to stop Snapchat photos from saving to camera roll. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android or iOS device. Now tap on your profile icon here. So your profile will be opened. Then go to Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and you will see the option Memories. Tap on it. In Memories settings, click here on the Save Memories option. You can see the default settings are Memories and Camera Roll, which means that your snaps are saved to the Camera Roll and Memories. If you don't want to save your snaps in the Camera Roll, select Memories only here. That's it. This is how you can save your snaps to Memories only. Besides this, you can enable or disable the autosave option for your Snap Stories as well. Just click here on the autosave option. And then you can enable or disable the save settings. That's all, folks. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.